student cadet Rajat Sen. I am preparing for NDA for in Age Academy. My childhood passion to join in Indian Navy. I joined Indian Navy because my father dreamed to join an Indian Navy. Because my father tells the life of an Navy officer is good to any other job, because the life that aspire to an Indian Navy officer, it is good for life way of living.
Jai Hind, I am student cadet Ritik Pratap Singh. I want to become an army officer. I have interest in Indian Army. I proud to be an Indian Army, and is one of the best, and dream to have power and prestige when the going get touch, the touch get going there.
Good evening to one and all present over here. Today, I Vinay standing before you to give a speech on why I wish to join in Indian Army. One of the reason why I wish to join in Indian Army is to serve the people. But it is not only the reason why I wish to join the Indian Army. There are some other factors which influenced me to join in the Indian Army. They are respect in the society wherever we go, and pay scale and its allowances, and greater opportunity to achieve higher studies, etc. Once I have listened that love what we do, so I love to join in military, so that there is a big difference between like and love. If we like a flower, we pluck it, but if we love a flower, we water it daily. So once I have listened that if you are not living on the edge, then we are taking too much space. So I want to live on the edge, take adventures and many more. Thank you, Jai.
Warm good morning to one and all. I am student cadet Daksh Sharma. I would like to share my views regarding defense force. Every man on this earth, death comes slower or later. And how can a man die better facing fear and ash of his father or temple of his god? As we all know, Indian Air Force is the fourth largest air force after USA, Russia and China. We all are fascinated from one another time by seeing jet flying above the sky. Indian Air Force is an institution where you can fly jets and not only see them. My motto, touch the sky with the glories.
I want to tell why I joined defense forces. I joined defense forces because I am interested in to help people and protect my nation from enemies. In forces, relation will make relation will make of love and humanity with our soldiers and cadet of force. I have aim that I true to my parents' dreams, and I also do for them people's protect and trust them security of their life and families.
मैं इंडियन फोर्स इसलिए ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूं क्योंकि ये मेरा बचपन का शौक़ है, और ये मेरा आर्मी का रहने सहने का देखता हूं तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
Defense is divided into three parts: Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Firstly, about the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force on the land, the chief of the Indian Army Force is Bipin Rawat. It is celebrated, Indian Army Force is celebrated on 15 January. Now next is Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated on 4th December. The chief of Indian Navy is Sunil Lamba, and the next and last is Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force chief is B.S. Dhanova, and it is celebrated on 8th October.
I am Akshay Singh, student cadet of Age Academy. I am going to share my views why I want to join Indian Army. The uniform which no money can buy, and no gold can buy the uniform. the respect which comes within the hearts of the millions of Indians, and some of are from you, and the pride and the honor which nobody can get, everybody get after joining the armed force.
I want to join Indian Armed Forces because the life of an army man is very tough. He is always on duty, even beyond the working hours also. He is well known for his duty and dedication towards the country. He has to go through a rigorous training to become an army